Next question, show that the product of the perpendicular from the point alpha comma beta to the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Here, the given homogeneous equation is the pair of straight lines passing through origin. Those are, let it be, L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. And this representing of line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is represents pair of straight lines. That is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Product of these two. L1 L2 x square plus L1 M2 plus M1 L2 xy plus M1 M2 y square. Comparing like coefficients on both sides. Comparing like coefficients on both sides. Here A is equal to L1 L2, 2H equal to L1 M2 plus M1 L2, B equal to M1 M2. Okay. Now what they have given, product of the perpendicular from a point to straight lines. Let D1 be the perpendicular distance from P point alpha comma beta to L1x plus M1y equal to 0. So that is D1 equal to modulus of L1 alpha plus M1 beta by under root of L1 square plus M2 square, and D2 be the perpendicular distance from P point alpha comma beta to L2x plus M2y equal to 0 is D2 equal to modulus of L2 alpha plus M2 beta by under root of, sorry, here M1 square, here L2 square plus M2 square. What they have given, product of the two perpendicular distances, we can show that. Product of two perpendicular distances, that is P equal to D1 D2. Here D1 equal to modulus of L1 alpha, that is equal to modulus of L1 alpha plus M1 beta by under root of L1 square plus M1 square into modulus of L2 alpha plus M2 beta by under root of L2 square plus M2 square. Product of these two, modulus of L1 alpha plus M1 beta into L2 alpha plus M2 beta by under root of L1 square plus M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square. Now again you can product in the numerator and the denominator. is equal to modulus of L1 L2 alpha square plus L1 M2 plus M1 L2 alpha beta plus M1 M2 beta square by under root of the same previous L1 square L2 square plus L1 square M2 square plus M1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square. Here it is equal to modulus of L1 L2 is nothing but A alpha square. This is nothing but 2h alpha beta plus M1 M2 is B beta square by, here this square is L1 square M2 square plus M1 square L2 square. We need to L1 M2 M1 L2 means L1 L2 M1 M2. So we can add in the denominator to L1 L2 M1 M2, subtract and add. Here L1 L2 square is A square. Here M1 M2 square is B square plus L1 square M2 square plus M1 square L2 square plus 2L1 L2 M1 M2 minus 2L1 L2 M1 M2. These two also under root only. It is equal to modulus of A alpha square plus 2H alpha beta plus B beta square by, this is taking to this is, and this is A, it is B, A square plus B square minus 2AB plus L1 M2 plus M1 L2 whole square under root. It is equal to modulus of A alpha square plus 2H alpha beta plus B beta square by under root of A minus B whole square plus 2H whole square. So the product of the two perpendiculars is equal to P is equal to modulus of A alpha square plus 2H alpha beta plus B beta square by under root of A minus B whole square is plus 4H square is equal to product of perpendicular distances from P point alpha comma beta to pair of straight lines. It is the solution.